Cybersecurity isn't what it used to be. AI has completely changed the battlefield. Attacks are faster, smarter, and harder to predict.
Exactly. The scary part is AI-powered malware. These viruses don't just execute code anymore, they learn. They adapt to defenses in real time.
I've seen malware that rewrites itself, avoids detection, and targets systems based on behavior. It's like fighting something that evolves while you're attacking it.
And as AI models get stronger, these attacks get more dangerous. One mistake, one vulnerability, and the damage scales globally.
So what's the way forward? We can't just rely on traditional firewalls and signatures anymore.
We fight AI with AI. Adaptive defense systems, real-time threat detection, zero-trust architectures, and continuous monitoring.
And human awareness still matters. Ethical AI development, better training, and collaboration between security teams worldwide.
If we build AI responsibly, it won't just protect systems, it'll protect the future.